Bro? So what were we doing in the last class? What was the chapter that we were doing in the last class?
Fractions and multiplication, multiply and express as mixed fraction.
Please speak again.
Multiply and express as mixed fractions. That one we completed.
So we were doing fractions and decimals.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we'll just quickly do a few questions based on whatever we studied in the previous classes, and then we shall move ahead with a new topic. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll write a few questions.
The ratios we have to do in next form, ma'am.
What are you?
The last answer means the final answer. If it's improper, we have to do in improper fractions.
Yeah, you can. If it is an improper, you can write the answer in the mixed as well. No problem. That's totally up to you. So the first question is 1 by 2 of 2 whole 3 by 4, 1 by 2 of 4 whole 2 by 9, 5 by 8 of 3 whole 5 by 6, and finally 5 by 8 of 9 2 by 3. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, sure.
Good evening, ma'am.
Razan has also joined.
Yes, ma'am.
Razan, do you hear me?
What, ma'am?
Do you hear me, Razan?
Yes, ma'am.
Put on your camera. Okay, so Razan, I've written a few set of questions on the board. Can you see them? Start solving them.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
so one time the first question how to do?
So, see, Razan, what you have to do here is, you have to find 1 by 2 of this fraction. So, first of all, convert this fraction into an improper form. What will be the answer? You will get 4 into 2 is 8 and 8 plus 3 is 11. So, you will get 11 by 4. So, now you can do like 1 by 2 of 11 by 4. Now you know the meaning of is multiply. So you can change and write multiply. Now can you solve it? You have 1 into 11 is 11 and 2 into 4 is 8. So you will get your answer as 11 upon 8. Okay. Now see, 11 upon 8 is an improper fraction. So you can also convert it into a mixed fraction. How will you convert it? Just divide 11 and 8. What will you get? You will get 8 into 1 is 8. 3 will be left and 8 will be the answer. 1 4 3 by 8 will be your answer. Is this question clear?
Can you tell how like how did 1 by 2 and 11 by 4 come?
I told you 1 by 2 is already written over here. 1 by 2 of 2 whole 3 by 4 you have to find. 1 by 2 of 2 whole 3 by 4 you have to find. Okay. So of means multiply. Okay. So 1 by 2 into, then how will you convert this into an improper fraction? Tell me.
Dividing 3 by 4?
No, you do 4 into 2. I taught you in the previous class. Doesn't, did you revise the concepts?
Yes, ma'am.
You will do 2 into 4. You multiply this number and this number, and then you add the remaining upper number to it. And then denominator is 4 only. Do you remember this?
Yes.
So 2 into 4 is 8, and 8 plus 3 is 11. So your answer is 11 by 4. You can write 11 by 4 over here. And now you can solve.
Understood.
1 into 11 is 11, and 2 into 4 is 8. So you get 11 upon 8. Now 11 upon 8 is proper or improper?
11 by 8 is improper.
Improper. So what you do with improper fractions, you convert them into mixed fractions. How do you convert them into mixed fractions?
By dividing 11 by 4.
Yeah. So you will divide it. 8 into 1 is 8. So you will have 3 will be left. Okay, now how will you write it as mixed fraction? Tell me. What will be the denominator? Denominator will be 8 only. Okay. What will be the whole number?
1,
1. Very good. And what will be the numerator?
3.
Okay. Do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very nice.
Then ma'am.
Okay, so Anas and Harmeen, have you both done?
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, let's give time to Harmeen and Razan as well. Then we discuss. By the time, Anas, you can revise your question.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, so let's discuss. The second question is 1 by 2 of 4 whole 2 by 9. What is the improper fraction for 4 whole 2 by 9?
2 by 18.
2 by
38 by 9.
Yes, it's 38 by 9. Who's saying 2 by 38 by 9?
ma'am, it's 38 by 9.
1 by 2 into 38 by 9. Okay, and then you will solve it. What do you get?
38 by 9, 18.
Okay, but you can also convert that into simplest form. So you can cut 2 into 1 is 2 and 2 into 19 is 38. So you will get 19 upon 1. Okay, now you can also convert it into mixed fraction. 2 whole 1 by
Yes,
9.
ma'am.
The second one, 5 by 8,
Yes.
or what are you getting for this one?
23 by 6.
Okay, then this cannot be simplified, so just multiply.
115 by 46.
48. 48.
48.
Then you will convert, so it will be approximately 48 into 6 is 90.
19 by 8. 48. Ma'am, it's 298 by 48.
Whole 19 by 48. Okay. Then next you have 5 by 8 multiplied by what is the mixed fraction improper for this?
145 by
29.
4.
29 by 3. Okay. Then can you convert it into simple? No, it can't be further simplified. So just multiply.
145 by 24.
Yes, ma'am.
Not 22, 24. And then you can convert it. Okay. Razan, are you able to solve these?
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem if you have, you can ask.
I can understand for the second one. For second, how can we understand that should we move further or not?
See, basically, like you have 38 and you have 2. So can they be simplified further? Like, is 38 divisible by 2? Yes, I can divide 38 with 2. But I cannot divide 38 with 9. So I did not use 9. But it can be divided with 2. So I just divided it by 2. Simple. See, over here, 5 cannot be divided by 8. It cannot be divided by 6. Similarly, 23 cannot be divided by 8. Cannot be divided by 6. So if you do not have any common factors, then you will not divide it. But if you see that the number has some common factors, then you will divide it. Okay? Okay, now we shall do the next topic, which is multiplying fractions with fractions. Right? So, for example, you have 1 upon 2 multiplied with 1 upon 7. So what you will do, you will multiply the numerator with the numerator. You do 1 into 1 and you do denominator with the denominator, 2 into 7. So your answer will be 1 upon 14. Very simple, right?
Yes,
Now, if
ma'am.
I say fill in the blanks, like 1 upon 7 into 1 upon 2, what will come over here? Just do it in 2 steps. So tell
Yeah.
me what will come in both boxes.
1 into 1 in 1 into 1
1 into
Yeah.
14.
by
1
7
into 1 by
into
7 into 2 is
And over
equals
here.
to 1 by 14.
Okay, very nice. So now there's a question. with this question, you have been given that there's a person named Sushant and he's reading 1/3 part of a book in 1 hour. So how much part of the book will he read in whole 1/5 hours? So first how will you do this question? You write part of book read in 1 hour. How much part of the book is it? 1/3.
1/3.
1/3.
Okay. Then part of book read in 2 whole 1/5 hours. What will you do?
Ma'am, we will multiply 1/3 into the mixed fraction.
Yeah, we will multiply 1/3 into 2 whole 1/5. So just solve it.
1/3 into 11/5.
You have 11/50 hours
15.
part. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I'll give you a few questions. Tell me the answers.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, so what's the answer?
First 12,
Okay,
4 by
4/50.
50.
Then
2
Ma'am,
2/50.
50.
okay.
32/21.
Okay.
6/12.
12.
Very nice. Now we have further questions. Now you have to multiply and then you have to reduce in the simplest form also. That means you have to like find what is the simplest form. Please.
Ma'am, should we finish all of them and 10?
What are you saying?
Should we finish all of them and 10?
Yes, you have to finish all of them.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, what are the answers? Has Harmeen and Razan also done?
Yeah, ma'am. I'm doing the third one.
Okay, let's start discussing. First one, you'll have 2 into 5. What will be the improper fraction for this one?
21 by 4.
4.
Okay. And then what will you get?
21 by
7 by 2.
Can you reduce
No,
into
no.
simplest form here
Yeah,
itself?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 2 and
Yes, ma'am.
4.
2 ones are 2 twos. It will be 21 by 10.
Okay. Razan, you're not answering.
That we will
Ma'am,
not reduce it to mixed fraction 21 by 10.
Yeah, you can. Like 2 whole 1 by 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next one, Razan, you're supposed to tell.
32 by 5.
Okay. Multiplied with 7 by 9. Can it be converted in, like, can it be simplified any further?
No, ma'am.
No. Then you just simply multiply. What will be the answer? Is this your answer?
224 by 4.
Are you getting the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can
Yes, ma'am.
convert into mixed fraction also. Just divide 2 to 4 by 45. It will be approximately. Okay, so 4 whole 44 by 40. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next one, Harmeen, you tell.
Yes, ma'am. The improper fraction 32. No, sorry. 3 by 2 into 16 by 3.
Okay. Can it be?
Then we can reduce it to 3, then 2 and 16.
Okay, so you'll have just 8.
8 by 1, 8.
Okay. Next, Anas, you tell.
Ma'am, 5 by 6 into 17 by 7.
Okay.
It will be 85 by 42.
Fine.
It can be 2 1 by 42.
How come 2 1 by 14? See, this will not be 14. This will be 42.
Yes, ma'am. I said 42.
Okay. If you said 42, then it's correct. Okay. Now we have, okay. Now you have to like compare the numbers. How do you compare? For example, I'll give you one example. Look here. You have 3 by 5 and you have to compare it with 4 by 7. Now you have to tell which is greater. So what you will do, you will just simply like cross multiply, right? Here you will write 3 into 7 and here you will write 4 into 5. 3 into 7 is 21, 4 into 5 is 20. Now you know that 21 is more than 20. That means which number is greater? 3 by 5 is greater.
3 by
3
5.
by 5.
Okay, does everybody know how to compare?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
now I'll give you a different type of question. You have to compare like 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 is greater or 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater. That means first you have to solve this and find the answer. Then you have to solve this and find the answer. And then you have to compare those answers.
Yes.
Done, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Anas.
Yes, ma'am.
That, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
So
Yes,
first of
ma'am.
all, Harmeen, you tell me that what will be the answer for the left hand side? What will be the answer for this?
Yeah, for LHS that would be uh yeah. Two, we will cross multiply 2 into 4. Like that.
Why will it cross multiply? You have to find the value for this, like 2 by 7 or 3 by 4.
Okay, like we should only multiply it.
Yeah, exactly. Only have to multiply. So 2 into 1 and 2 into 2.
Yeah.
So
So
we will have 3
3
by
is 3 by 14.
And over here now, Razan, you tell what did you get over here? 5 and 5 will be cancelled. You will have 3 by 8. Are you getting this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
now tell me that how will we now we will compare 3 by 14 and 3 by 8. So you will cross multiply. Anas, tell me the answer for cross multiplication.
Yes, ma'am. Very much.
Tell me quickly.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 3 8 are 24 and 42.
Okay, so 42 is clearly bigger. That means this whole thing is bigger than this whole thing. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Shall I give you some more questions like this only?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
calculate 1 whole 1 by 2 of 2 whole 1 by 3 and 2 whole 3 by 2 and of 2 whole 1 by 4. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, Anas, do you wish to say anything?
No, I'm done.
Okay. What about Harmeen and Razan? Have you also done?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's discuss the answers. First of all, Razan, tell me what will be the answer for this one. Razan, tell me.
21.
Just tell me stepwise. Like, first of all, what will you do?
First, we multiply 2 by 1.
Okay, 2 into 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So you get 3 by 2 multiplied with 3, 2 is 6, plus 1, 7 by 3. Is this what you're getting?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
So 3 and 3 will be cancelled. What you will have 7 by 2. Why did you say 21? 7 is the numerator, 2 is the denominator. It can't be 14. Next is this. So, unless you tell me the answer for this one.
Yes, ma'am. Man, 2 into 2 is equals to 4. 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. It's 7 by 2 into 4 to the 8 plus 1. It's 9 by 4.
Okay, then
7 nines are 63. 63 by 8.
okay. Then you compare these.
Yes.
7 into 8, 63 into 2. Harmeen, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. 7 8s are 56. Then 63 into 2, 126.
Which one is greater?
126.
That means
So
this
the
is greater.
RHS. Yeah.
Okay, clear this match?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
fill up. Okay, and let's discuss one question. A car runs 16 kilometer using 1 liter petrol. Okay, this is the question. So there's a car that is running 16 kilometer using 1 liter of petrol, and it asks that how much distance will it cover using 2 whole 3 by 4 liters of petrol. Do it on your own. I just taught you how to do such type of questions.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, let's discuss. Tell me what you've done first.
2, 3 by 4.
It will be 11 by 4.
Tell me with statements. You just don't have to solve. This is a word problem. Form statements.
Then using
Distance distance a car covers in 1 liter of petrol.
Okay, it is 16 kilometers. Then
Distance it will cover in
2, 3 by 4 petrol. Liter of petrol. Is equal to
16
into 11 by 4.
okay, solve it.
16 into 11 by 4.
Be 40.
44 kilometer.
Is this what you're getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next we have this is between. See, in this question it is given there's a girl. Yes.
Nothing.
What are you saying?
After the distance, what is it written?
I'm explaining you the question. First listen. See, there's a girl named Sally. She plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. So she has a garden and she has planted 4 saplings in one row. Like she has, this is her garden. She planted 1 sapling over here, then second over here, third over here, and fourth over here. The distance between 2 adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meters. Find the distance between first and last sapling. So it is given that distance between 2 saplings is 3 by 4 meters. This is 3 by 4 meters. So you have to find this whole distance. So how will you do? See, how many total saplings are there? So distance between 2 saplings, it is 3 by 4 meters. Then distance between
last.
first and last sapling will be, with what will you multiply 3 by 4?
Into 4.
Yeah.
Ma'am, we can simplify 3 by 4. 4 ones are 4 ones are, it will be 3 meter.
3 by 4 into
4.
4. Are you sure? See, this is one distance, this is the second distance, and this is the third distance. So you'll multiply 3 by 4 with 3.
3.
Okay. So your answer will be 9 by 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is this clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Razan, do you understand? Does anybody have any doubts in this question?
Can you explain it
No,
again?
ma'am.
Razan, please put on your mic and then speak.
Can you explain it again?
See, it is given that distance between, like there is one sapling planted over here. This is one plant. Then at a distance of 3 by 4 meter, you have another plant. Okay. Then you have another plant and then you have another plant. So they said the distance between two plants, these are two plants. These are also two plants. These are also two plants. So the distance between two plants is 3 by 4 meter, then again 3 by 4 meter, then again 3 by 4 meter. You have to tell the distance between the first, this is the first, and this is the last. So what will be the distance between first and last? See, how many times is 3 by 4 written? 3 times. So you will just multiply 3 by 4 with 3. You will get the total distance. Right? So you get 9 by 4. Now, I'll explain you one last question, which is Lipika reads a book for 1 whole 3 by 4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How many total hours were required? So basically, in one day, Deepika reads in one day. She's reading 1 whole 3 by 4 hours. So it took her 6 days to complete the book. So how many hours will be there in 6 days? So you form the statement like number of hours required in one day is 1 whole 3 by 4 hours. When you write number of hours in 6 days will be equal to 1 whole 3 by 4 multiplied with 6. Okay. Then what will be this? How will you convert it into improper fraction?
Ma'am, 4 into 1, then plus 3.
7 by 4 into 6. So 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. You will get 21 by 2.
Yes.
Okay. This is how it is also. What is the total number of hours that was required by Deepika to read the book?
21 by 2.
Yes. So we studied. We have completed multiplication of fractions in today's class. And we now have to start division of fractions. But before division of fractions, I want all of you to revise multiplication of fractions very thoroughly. Okay, like whatever doubts you have. Razan, I feel that this topic is weak with you. You need to work on the concepts more, okay? Because you weren't answering in today's class, and even in the previous session, you were very inactive. Razan, positively revise the chapter. I'll be taking a quick short test